classmates. This is Srinivas Bandari. I completed BTech graduation from SR Engineering College in 2011. After that, I entered into the one manufacturing industry. In the journey of manufacturing from 2012 to 2019, in 2020, I resigned my manufacturing industry job. Uh, at the same time, COVID-19 also happened. At the time, I am searching for the new one, new opportunity. But luckily, I got the call from the FuTech, but I am not getting the call. My brother getting the FuTech Institute call. He shared the number to me. I called to FuTech. They said one demo is there about SAP SD. You can attend. You can attend. At the same time, I attend the demo, but I don't know about the SAP and SDMM these platforms because my background is the mechanical, completely related to hardware. This SAP is related to software, but I am attracted about SAP SD because the um, one demo by Bharat sir. At the same time, I decided I enter into the SD in FuTech Institute only. In the period of the 4 months, I completed SD and S4 HANA. Then after I enter into the Adult Technosoft Private Limited with the package of 6.5 LPA. After that, I enter into Kims's technology. This is also golden one in my life. That is the S4 HANA implementation project. Next, currently I am working with NSL Limited as a consultant with the package of 8 LPA. In my entire life, FuTech Institute and Bharat is the very golden institute and golden person in my life. Thank you.